Hey guys and welcome. Are pushcut notifications delayed on your device? Here's how to fix them in just few steps. First of all, optimize background refresh. First, ensure pushcut, go ahead to the settings, and then general, and then you're gonna see right here background app refresher. I'm gonna disable the low power mode. Make sure that you run the pushcut or is allowed to run in the background. Try to pin down pushcut from here. As you can see, we toggled this one on, and that should fix your problem. Next, check notification settings. Go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna see notifications. Scroll a little bit down, and here you're gonna be able to see the pushcut. Go ahead and click on it, make sure that it's turned on. Next, what you're gonna do, adjust network settings. Pushcut needs a stable internet connection. If notifications are delayed, try switching between Wi-Fi, or you can just go ahead to the main settings and switch to another Wi-Fi if available, or mobile data. Okay, now what you're gonna do, go to the settings, and we're gonna reset the network settings if the problem is from your network. And then what you're gonna do, click transfer or reset iPhone, and then click reset right here, and you're gonna click the second option, reset network settings, enter your passcode, and you're gonna be able to fix that problem. If all else fails, reinstalling pushcut can resolve many bugs. So I'm gonna hold right here and then hit delete, and I'm gonna delete the app, and I'm gonna be able to solve that problem. So that's it. Test your setup now and enjoy instant notifications. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you.